Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix DUCKSIDE game crashing on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution that fix your problem definitely. So first make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager. So simply open it. Now here you will see all the background apps that are running on your PC. Now you will see the memory and CPU on the top. Now if these are above the 90%, then this means this is the danger symbol, and on the top you will see the application that are consuming the most of your RAM or CPU and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these that are consuming the most of your RAM or CPU and just click on the end task. So make sure you close all the useless applications. Then just go to the startup on the top, and guys here just disable all of the background application, because when you start your PC these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these, then just click on the disable. Now the next important setting is go to the Windows set, type the game mode settings and open it. And guys here you just need to make sure that game mode is on your PC. This will close all the background processes when you are on the game and prevent any kind of crashing problems. Now the next setting is the privacy setting. Go to the Windows set, type it and open it. Now on the left hand side scroll down, click on the background apps and make sure that this is off on your PC. Now these applications consume a lot of CPU or RAM on your PC and cause your game crash, so make sure you turn off this option. Now the next important setting or solution is the system configuration. Go to the Windows set, type it and open it. Now here you will see the boot on the top, so just click on that, then just click on the advanced options, then just check this box and just select here the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 4, 8, any value 16, then just select it. This will increase your game performance. Then just go to the services on the top and then just check this box of the hide all master services, then just disable all of these, because these are the services that are useless and these are the services that are consuming the most of your system RAM and causing your game crash. So make sure that you disable these, then just click on the apply. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes, then launch the game, and your any kind of crashing problem will be fixed after this solution. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye and take care.